If you're gonna tell a story, be sure to know why you were telling this story. Hello, my friend! Storytelling. How to tell a nice story. This is a moment of your speech when you share a story. The elements of a good story is someone is fighting for a goal, finds an obstacle, unexpected obstacle, and from this we have a crisis. This person tries to overcome the obstacle, which leads to a climax, and at the end, the result. If you're gonna tell a story, be sure to know why you were telling this story. Eliminate the unnecessary details. Show and include information that lead your listeners to think vividly what happened. If your journey reveals something important that you have learned, and if each step of your journey is revealed with humility, honesty, and vulnerability, we will all be happy to walk through it with you. If you're gonna tell your story, be sure to tell the truth. Some speakers, unfortunately, lie. They're so excited to share about themselves, about their company, that they exaggerate. Please don't do it. Dale Carnegie explained this, saying, beware of beginning with statistics show. What is statistics? Who gathered them and why? Be careful. We have a class talking about this importance of being specific. Watch this. 3, 2, 1. Be precise in your speech. When you say something, be precise. Say exactly what you want. Say exactly what you want to be fixed. Be precise in your speech. When you say everything is wrong, you cannot fix anything. If you say, this is something we must improve, all right, we have a focus. We know where to aim. Yes. Tell me your story. Share your story here with us. I want to read, I want to know about you. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How to explain difficult topics, complex issues.